Yo, what's good? This is St. Joe, soundsandgear.com, here with the NKS Pack for Xpand 2. This works in Maschine as well as Komplete Kontrol. Of course, you do need to own the Xpand plugin. Works with the VST, not the AU, 64-bit. So it just lets you browse, load, and control Xpand presets directly inside of Maschine or Komplete Kontrol. So you got your control over the sound directly. So you can pull it up directly from the hardware. Also, if you want to browse, you get the previews. So if you just want to say, go over to maybe brass and woodwind. Of course, you can go through your pages. Yeah, there's 2,444 files in there. So, you know, the full factory library. You want to go to synth pads. So I got those broken down. So if you just go to synth pads, you can go to the action, bright, huge, or the soft pads. So you get the idea. You know what NKS is. This is for those of you that are using Xpand and you want to pull this up directly inside of Maschine or Komplete Kontrol. Like I said, you must already own the plugin for these presets to work. But if you do, it'll pull up the entire factory library, including those previews, so you can quickly go through and listen to the sounds. So yeah, if you're interested in picking this up, you can get it directly from the Sounds and Gear shop. So yeah, you can see the price right here, $9.99 currently. Again, like I said, 2,445 files. You do need the VST. It does not work with AU. The current version of the VST is 2.2.7, so you need at least that to use this. 64-bit. Again, you must already have the plugin installed and working for these presets to work. And you can always grab Xpand on sale at different places. I think right now at Plugin Boutique, it's like $4.99 or something like that. So a really cool way to get a nice workstation type of a rompler plugin inside of Maschine and Komplete Kontrol with full control directly from the hardware. Of course, if you're a Sounds of Gear insider, you get this for free. So all Sounds of Gear insiders get all of the NKS preset packs along with other stuff like courses and other bonus materials and things like that. So again, this is St. Joe, soundsandgear.com. Appreciate you guys. See y'all later. Peace.